times of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems, how long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.